$1 to $1,000 crypto trading challenge. What if I told you we are about to turn just $1 into $10,000 through crypto futures trading? Sounds crazy, right? But let me ask you this: what's really impossible? Absolutely nothing, especially when God is involved. Okay, so now welcome to day one of our $1 to $10,000 crypto trading challenge, because we are starting today, April 21st, Easter Monday, a day of resurrection and the perfect day to resurrect our mindsets, our finances, and our faith. Okay, so we're starting this challenge today. This isn't just about money, okay? This is about providing that consistency, faith, strategy, and belief can turn something small into something massive, okay? Little thing into something great. Do you understand? So here is how we're starting, all right? Step one, we have to open a MEXC Global account, okay? I already have MEXC Global Exchange account. This is the app right here. So if you don't have MEXC Global Exchange, go and get it now. You're going to see the link in the description box. Click on the link to register, okay? So after your registration, make sure you download the MEXC Global application. Okay, so you can go to Play Store or Apple Store to download it. MEXC. Okay, MEX Exchange. All right, so this is it right here. So first register through the link, and after registering through the link, then you can now download the app to log in. Okay, then step two, we are going to fund our MEXC Global account with USDT. So we're going to transfer one USDT into our MEXC Global Futures trading account. Okay, so as you can see right here, right, this is wallet, and we have overview, we have spot dex features. Okay, so from my spot wallet now, I'm going to transfer into my futures wallet. So I'm going to click on transfer right now. Okay, so I'll switch this from sports to features. So I'm going to type in one. I have like 2 USDT there. So I'll type one and I'll click on transfer. Okay, successful. So let me go back. Let me click on features. So you're going to see the one USDT here. All right. So our total equity and current equity, okay, here is one USDT, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so the first step, take note guys, is to get a MEXC Global account. Second step, get USDT. Okay, minimum of $1. All right, so you transfer it from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Okay, so from this point, we look for high probability trade setup. No gambling, no guessing. All right, just focus, discipline, trades. Now here's the plan. We are not just trading that one USDT, we're growing it each day. Each freaking day, we are growing this one USDT. Okay, by all possible means. All right, we are growing it each day. We will try to add a little more, even if it is just one more USDT. That builds both our capital and our consistency, and we are going to track every trade, every win, every loss, and every lesson. This challenge will be fully transparent, daily videos, real results. All right, so be prepared, guys. So listen, listen attentively. This challenge may seem small, but it's a giant leap of faith. We're actually starting with almost nothing, but with discipline, strategy, and belief, guys, we are going to grow into something unbelievable, massive. All right. So if you ever doubted yourself, this is your sign. Join me. Start with just $1. All right. Start with your own one USDT. Let's do this together, one trade at a time, one day at a time, and one USDT at a time. All right. So, guys, the challenge has begun. Let's do it. Let's go. I'll see you guys until next time. Peace out.